Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actions. Quit Vscode or save all files so extensions can be changed cleanly. Next, open Vscode and inspect the Extensions panel to identify the exact Copilot extension name because removal differs by package. Once done, check the Accounts icon to note active GitHub sessions. This explains why some settings may persist. Make sure to note whether Copilot is enabled per workspace versus globally, since that determines the uninstall target. You now remove Copilot. Open extensions with Ctrl+Shift+X, search the exact extension name you identified earlier, and click Uninstall. When Vscode prompts to reload the window, accept it. This finalizes the extension shutdown and clears active services. Then open Settings, gear icon, search for Copilot to find any residual keys or flags set in user or workspace config, and delete those entries. This prevents the extension from reactivating through saved preferences. After that, restart Vscode once more to verify. You finish by cleaning up authentication and caches. Sign out of GitHub via the Accounts menu if Copilot tokens remain, and optionally delete the extension storage folder in your Vscode user data to remove cached state. Make sure to inspect other AI-related extensions because they can present similar suggestions. Disable them to isolate the issue. If auto-completion still appears, restart your machine and check project-level .files for Copilot-specific settings. One key tip: sign out then back in to refresh tokens if behavior persists.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.